Enchi about what happened yesterday when there was a little fracas when I went into the home. Some people don't know that it's a Luo custom that when the widow opens the gate, the mourners are allowed to enter and mourn. So the gates were closed, and I could understand the pain of the mourners. And I'm extremely sorry for that. My husband was a classy man, and I hope that today that mantle will fall on the same people who came to mourn yesterday, that they will now continue in that same fashion of being classy because they stopped being rowdy. And as we go to inter my husband this afternoon, please come home, sit down and mourn, but please let it be in a classy fashion. No rowdiness. I really appreciate that. And as you know, the interment sites cannot accommodate all of us, but the field can accommodate. So please, 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 let it be the inner Magoha family. We are so many. In Africa, we don't count children, but the Magohas are huge enough to fill where the gravesite will be. And I will crave your indulgence to please allow the Magohas pay their last respects to their father, their second father, a friend, and a confidant. Sorry, I have to go through because I need to make certain facts clear. Some cultures are good, and some things we have to emulate. And there are others, as time goes by, we'll have to give up. There's a saying in my language that says, if nobody gives you advice,